The Jaintia National Council JNC Western Zone has alleged substandard construction of the Pmgsy road from Raliang to Sahsniang in West Jaintia Hills following a field inspection conducted on Friday. The inspection was carried out after the union received complaints from residents regarding the quality of the 21 kilometers road stretch. The team, led by JNC Western Zone President Pmgsy reportedly found that several portions of the road had already suffered damage during construction, raising questions about the contractor's execution of the project. The union pointed out that this is not the first such instance, recalling that a similar lapse was detected on the 17th of May this year along the Raliang-Laskeny road. It expressed dismay over what it termed a continuing disregard for public interest. Following the inspection, the JNC met the executive engineer of Shangpung PWD Division, K. Pakma, and submitted a formal complaint against the contractor. The union has warned that it will press for stronger action if the work is not rectified and brought up to standard.
Raliang kasing Jaintia National Council JNC nei step the Jaintia i na kipai ba way the complaint gi ne benta usurok wachna khaler hagani gathau ko the tip i nado naraliang hado Sahsniang om kam arphawi kilometer ke jingjrong yongo te heni por nagaliang tinong chongchnong sagani gathan the em ki complaint ne benta wombiang ukre the ki contractor ya uni surok kamte nagaseng yong i the here ki wood ulai jurep ulai pai ya uni surok nagaliang kaseng the cham sekhet ki umbiang sekhet kerkom kre ya uni surok haduk kate the man sekhet marsin kre marsin jet kamu punken mo ya hai tui por khat nyau trik ubnai me kaseng the dep ong chua go we the maham kole ne benta usurok wadachna ni hujo usurok nado na Raliang hado ha Laskeny wajngai duk kamwa kilometer donhi yau ni usurok dangla gatu kapor le dachna khler we de yo ile katwa kajingchna danglai go chakmat hanrei kajingjet katdang dangbut ko nadin te nagaliang kipat ba chagni gathan we nagaliang kaseng le lesnau si jor we dakta bha yijing le yijing kre torti yong kini kinong kre yauni surok kamte nagaliang kaseng da ongle hagitu jipor da budden chuchu lada umbiang ukre yauni surok te dei bentai wo penthut uslap hetu ipor kani ke kontraktor da pensenge no ukre yau tu surok nado na Raliang hado opoi hado Laskeny te na kawa phla hagan nei non kasngi de yo jingtip ina kpai ba hanrei manali pai i ijo hi kerukom kre dangman bai ko kre khaler te kamte de penchrai we de snau si kaseng nei kasngi the lai chem go wow the lai chem kaseng wow executive engineer subdivision Changpung kamte de yo le yaklam we de le kam ka kot wo ne benta wo complain ya uni contractor lada kamni bai rukom kre wo ile dang em kabori wo pensenge ya contractor toy wo to tang wo yo surok re manu tang ka benta wo do in wan kejing ku ya kipai ba hagni gathai